and welcome to Seagull. My name is Tom and I will give you a tour through the Seagull headquarters in Dordrecht, in Netherlands. We're now in our demo room where we have our beautiful movies running and also some special effects. Thank you very much, guys. Hi. Special effects team. Okay, we'll now continue our tour. Here we go. This is Marja. You cannot see her because it's a little bit dark.
Turn on the light.
But this is better.
I hold the door open for you.
Yeah, thank you very much. First we will go down to the entrance of this Seagull temple. Watch my steps. Nice decoration. More nice decoration. This is our porcelain mascot, or how do you say that in English? And on we go to the reception. Let's see what happens here. Hi Patricia. Dag Anja. How are you? You don't like this?
I don't like it.
How about Patrice? Can you sing a song?
Oh, waar is het zo? Hey, ga nog wat fietsen? Waarom doe je dit nou, Tom? Mag ik vragen? Wanneer komt het op televisie? Candid camera?
This is candid camera. It's not very candid. Quick tour outside. Isn't this beautiful? By the way, this is our logo, in case you didn't know yet. This is the name of the company, but you all know that. That's Anja. One of our major products. Thank you, Anja. Okay, let's go in again. This is the canteen. But as you see, there's no one here because nobody has time to have a coffee break. This is our, let's say, production center. So here all the beautiful things are coming from. Here are all the masters. See if we can get in. No, that's locked. As it should be. Okay, now if we go to the first floor again, as we say, second floor, as you say. Here we go. This is out in the toilet. I'm out. Go ahead. Don't let me all in. Okay. So here we are. Miraculously, this door opens. This is just a sign that remembers us that there are people buying our products, and we should regard them with all kinds of sympathy, etc. Here we enter the support department. This is Joep Zuiderwijk. Hello, Joep. Hello. Continue. This is Peter Harms. Erwin Boeren. I've seen him already. Quint de Haan. De heer Hans van der Hanenberg. Oh, promise to put on your hat. Okay, okay. For all the difficult questions are being answered. There's also a quality assurance department with main quality turns around again. This is his desk.
Clean hands.
How many machines do you have, Mark?
At the moment, 3.
Only 3.
One coming up.
One coming up. Thank you. We do it.
Figure it out.
Are you? It's a coffee machine, but well, it's not very interesting, of course. Okay. This is our assistant manager, Erik Bastenmeijer. Hello, Erik.
Right?
What are you doing? Issuing passwords?
I'm just messing around.
Just messing around. Nothing new. Okay, thank you very much. Where are your colleagues? Arjan and
Doing shopping.
Guus? Shopping.
Shopping and the other is the other.
The other is it. Okay. Next time. Now we enter the sales and marketing area. This is Eric, but he has his door closed. Means you don't want to get bothered. But as you see, he is working very hard for it, so that's not bothering. And on we go to sales administration. Hello Ingeborg, this time it's for real.
Yeah.
So behave. This time please.
Okay, thank
This
you.
is Paul Geerts. And here you see. And here you see how the authorization codes are being issued. Can you just give us an example, Paul?
Okay.
Or would that be too difficult?
I'm following it out.
So you want an 80K? You want a code? Well, this is how it's done. That's all.
Yes, it is.
Okay, thank you very much. Here's Aardi Fransen. She doesn't want to be videotaped at the moment.
Don't explain why.
I won't explain why. I'll do that when I left this room. Okay, thank you very much. On we go. To the sales consultants. Hey, Wout. How are you?
Great, how are you?
These are the sales consultants.
Hello,
Here's Henry Holster.
also from the special effects department.
Also from the special effects department. A very nice new chair. How is it?
Yeah, very good.
Yeah. Can you do a trick with that or?
Very special, brand new.
Brand new. Oh, that's good. Here's Jacqueline Spitz.
Hi, Dean.
Hello, Jacqueline.
Hello. How's life?
Good. Talk to me or to the other people?
Oh, everybody.
Okay. And on we go to Harry Wotman.
We're going to do some special stunts today.
Well, I don't know.
You don't know?
Let's see.
Have a look. Wow.
Wow. This is beautiful.
This is beautiful. Look at that.
This is really beautiful.
Very nice.
Thank you very much, Harry, for this beautiful
Bye-bye.
finish.
See you later.
And this is Jan Pickelaar,
Hello, Mr. Ruben.
again pretending to work very hard. We all know better than that.
I've given up the pretense here. I just work very hard.
This is a world map, but well, that's you can see that. Okay, on we go to the marketing department. Okay. Here you see Brian Alberg, our internet expert. Is that true? Can you make just a few nice sounds, Brian, with these?
Nice sounds.
Yep.
Nice sounds.
This has nothing to do with internet. Okay, while we're waiting for that, let's take a look over here. Here's Linda.
Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Fine, thanks. And you? Very busy at the moment.
Very busy.
Very busy.
Okay, that's good. There's Truus, we'll see her later. And here's Maya again.
I'm working at the moment too, so.
You're also working. That's very good. This mess over here is
My boy.
yeah, that's my mess, my desk. But I'm not there at the moment. I'm doing something else. Well, where are the sounds, right? Still
You
waiting.
just missed the sounds.
Just missed the sounds.
Yes.
This is 80 watts. Okay, well, thank you very much.
Alright.
Hi, Truus.
Hi,
No, Truus. Oh, hi. Okay, thank you. We go to the financial department. And here's the financial department. Hi, Philip. Everything well?
Yes, very well.
Everyone paying the bills? Has a desire paying the
You have
bills?
to collect that first.
Yeah, it's
The distributors that are not so quickly with that. Otherwise, the salary is already paid for us now. It's no problem at all.
Okay, thank you. That's the only thing I want to hear.
Yes, I know.
Okay, let's go on. Well, this is Truus' desk, but we saw that Truus was doing something else. So, we cannot see her now. Okay. Well, this is again demo 1. It's a bit more quiet now, no special effects, etc. So that's all. Let's go one floor up. Hi, Leon. Well, I'm going up now. So you don't.
Hi, Mom.
Here we go again. Nice decorations again. Okay, now see if we can enter Frank's office. Well, that will be a bit difficult. We'll just eat here. Hier is Seagull van der Merk. He's a management consultant. This is Frank van Pelt. But I guess he's not seeing that he's being videotaped. There we have Heinrich himself who's hiding himself. There he is. Hi, Hein. Oh, Hein. Okay. Then we continue. No, let's go the other way around. Is this fast for you? Okay, anyhow. Hi, Sandra. Everything well?
Very well, thank you very much. How are you today?
I'm fine, thanks. Jan van Zissen also has a very nice room, as you can see. Also very busy, as you can see.
You just put a camera out there.
Yeah, sure. You can do your dance later on again. Okay, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Around here. Well, on we go. To the engine room, machine room, how's that called? 2 A500s doing the job. 800. Some secret info, or not so secret info. This way you have to sign up when you want to enter this room, but as you see, no one entered this room. Well, here's where Rico van Helder resides, and as you can see, there's nothing to see. But normally he's over here, but well, I think he's doing something very secret job somewhere else that we cannot know, that we cannot tell you about. Sorry. This is where graphical access is being developed mainly by Maxwell de Boer. Maxwell is not there, I think.
Okay.
And this is Leon. And Leon, what do you do at Seagull?
Do you really want to know?
No, thanks. Okay. Then we continue. Okay. Nice decoration. Do we have the Seagull logo somewhere? By the way?
Not that I know.
No, you know. Oh yeah, on the back side. Yes, it's very nice. It must be the logo, in case you didn't know yet. And on we go. Another coffee machine. Copiers, printers, etc. Water. Coats. Well, nothing to get very excited about. Well, this is product management. As you can see, there's not much product management going on at the moment. André Den Haan is not sitting here. He's on a job, on a trip with Rico. And here's Kathy Billingers, normally developing all the product plans, etc., etc. But well, geez, as well. Then we go to another empty room. Here's where Riel and Hein are normally present, but they're now at Frank's office, as you may remember. Well, here's some more GUI development. This is Cody, with a last name I cannot still not pronounce. Hi Cody.
Hi.
This is Jos. Okay, Jos. Okay, someone else. This is Will. Yo, Willie. Hey! that's some enthusiasm. We don't even pay for that. Hi Erik, another Erik. This is Eric number 3 up till now. That's a nice picture.
Zoom in.
That's beautiful.
Trying to get a raise here.
Okay, thank you guys. On we go. Let's go through here again.
Dus ik ga nou naar de winkel en zij moet me aan het voetbal.
And here's Joop. Hello Joop.
Yeah.
And another Erik Bienissen. And here we have an empty spot. That's Kees van Dongen, right? Normally there. You can just continue talking, it's no problem.
Ja, dat begrijp ik wel. Ik doe niet op dus.
Nee, dat
Maar wat is het?
Okay, bye.
Ga je nou wel doen?
Thank you. Hi Albert, how are you? It's just a videotape, nothing special, nothing special. To have an impression of what we're doing here. Okay, on we go.
Yeah.
Thanks. Well, this must be very secret also. The door is closed. Take my chances. They look. This is very special, something special going on.
Dat is hij en dan die
Albert
1, 2, 3,
Martin.
4.
En boven dat grote raad.
This looks
En
like
dan een H
references.
en een
Yes.
R en een C. En die zijn al verbouwd uit moeten halen.
Ja. Hallo Cody.
Okay, let's give it one more shot. If we can enter Frank's Palace. What's this? There's a lot of Seagull activity going on today. Some promos. How many subsidiaries do we have, guys? Are you all tourists or?
Yes.
Okay, well this concludes our tour to Seagull building. I don't know if you are also ready, but I'm finished. Thank you very much. I hope to see you soon over here.
Van Peter. Doei.
Once again, Peter.
Dag oma, groetjes van Peter. Doei. Ja, die Peter moet er ook.
That's Eric again. Final shot. Nog een moment. Dit is het eigenlijk. Let's see, we're concluding our tour. Very, very secret info again. We don't want to know. Company strategy. Company strategy. That's only small strategy. Two pages. Page strategy. Okay, thank you very much, Eric. Yes, again, they were meant to be Seagull is doing around the world. So that's also nice. So to close this out. Okay, see you around. Bye.